Yeah, so
It should be very expensive to run a club.
it's incredibly crazy.
Yeah. The first time I had someone attempted to break into the lock of a car, back then while cars were still using locks. It happened in Sentini.
Like nahana all that work that you put in Horana establishment the EU.
Yeah.
Then when now the customer who build a brand, then the customers out the complain or baba who's the phone.
Cheers, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at it. It's TC's in the house with Tembagazulu. We are from Nisbong,
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Haike. Utemba Nate.
Yeah.
Chesama.
What the judge?
Sizomzulu lena insizwe eshela intombi egijima otshela nathi manang lo mfana wandaba ezithiwa ngitshela enze njani unina wathi umqome ngani yami kudala kabi simfuna lo Themba Zulu in the house Mageba undaba ezithi sithole isikandaba umntwana ubaby lo mangabe uwazi kakhulu isilungu mangafona ukuthi umntwana ubaby lo just a clip
Lights.
Sure.
We in this.
Yeah.
Lubutwile, you guys heard.
Yeah.
You guys heard, man.
Wait, why gile energetic so?
Yeah.
Ngabatla bolele ka taba tsa go nothing ngache.
Yeah, you know statistics. Let me get into
it. It mnandi. As ngene ma clapping jo.
Yeah, wait it man.
Night claps, running of claps in South Africa. Boom. Let's go have some fun.
You know what they say?
Yeah, man. What do they say?
No, actually, statistics, Spotify.
Yeah.
The top 10 most listened or played music.
Yeah.
Genre.
Yes.
One of the top 5.
Yes.
Or top 3.
Yeah.
In the Southern African region.
Yeah.
Amapiano.
Yeah.
Party music.
Yeah.
Which is essentially what Amapiano is.
Yeah.
You know how groove just let's say Girogara leads.
Shout out to Amapiano artists out there. Yeah. You guys are killing it everywhere in the whole world. Everybody wanna listen to Amapiano.
Yeah, so
I don't care what color you are. Everybody loves Amapiano.
Fact.
I don't care where you live. Amapiano are just rocking it.
Fact.
Amapiano are just killing it. Amapiano is the only music genre after R&B, probably hip hop and rap that has brought the whole world together.
Fact.
Ungangithinta mangabe unenkinga you can just
No, it's a fact. It's a fact.
So ungithinte. Yeah.
This thing. Yeah, Antonio, it shows that South Africans, we like to party.
We party like nobody's business.
Yeah, we like to party.
And we understand what is to party.
Exactly. Yeah. We do it to the fullest.
Yeah, reconnaissance la strata from Freita, but local kitchen.
Yeah, from Friday
till Sunday.
Yeah, that's true.
Why is I going to play King Maria anyway?
That's a venue.
I read to sponsor the venue. Why it's South Africans?
Hey, Joe. Yo. So, T-Man, this whole thing, like when I'm we had the venue, rotate touch. It's an inside joke, guys. Watch till the end, you'll understand
why.
What we actually talking about. Watch until the end. Yeah. So, as South Africans, we actually love partying, right?
Yeah.
So now it hit me. I did research, guys. No, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I registered Ko UNISA and then I'm studying, so my intellect ya holanya. So I did some research on nightlife, clubbing.
Yeah. So in South Africa,
especially
if you're looking at places like Pretoria.
Yeah, Pretoria is 012.
Yeah, 012.
Yeah. Even people that are not from Pretoria, what claim Pretoria, because 012 is the place to be.
Yes, yeah.
I hear you guys from Joburg. I hear you. Mara, Pretoria.
But why are you singling out guys from Joburg? You are glorifying them. You make them feel like they're special.
No, but I agree.
Because from my side, I would say if there's another place where you need to really, really have fun, not because I'm Zulu, you need to go to KZN.
But I could have guessed that one.
Okay, luckily you know I'm not from KZN.
Yeah.
You know that for sure. No. And if I'm wrong, why do we keep on getting Joburg people in KZN every week. If you go to Devon, you'll always find it. But let me not disturb you.
So back to the clubbing. Back to the clubbing.
Yeah.
So
Rutwa monate, man.
yeah. Like as you are grooving there, guys, ne, you must think. Okay, you getting alcohol, you're getting food, right?
Yeah.
At the venue, you're getting music, you're getting DJs.
And clapping, we're not talking just cheap alcohol.
Yeah. So I actually looked into the actual
For people who
the
take alcohol,
details.
I don't, yeah.
I looked at I researched in terms of what does it actually take
Yes.
to actually run a club.
A club, yeah.
Yeah. So
It should be very expensive to run a club.
it's incredibly crazy.
Yeah, it should be expensive.
The first thing you need is to get a liquor license, alcohol license, if I can put it that way.
Yeah.
That's the first thing you need.
Yeah.
And
not just any liquor license.
yeah, that's the thing, because there are different
differ.
category,
Yes.
if I can call them categories.
Yes.
So for those who are in Pretoria, you go, Honale, there's a department of something in town.
Okay.
I forgot the name.
Where you
There's
get,
where you
acquire
go
your license.
apply.
Okay.
And obviously, because it's a government institution,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you 1 + 1 = 2.
Yeah.
You think what I'm trying to get
Nibadala,
to.
man, anting.
Yeah.
Singe sinitshele yonke into, yeah.
Yeah, so you get that license, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, it has different categories.
Levels and categories, yes, yeah.
That's why you find some clubs or the taverns, for example,
Yeah.
no honale go.
Or let's say license is setting that allows you to,
Honale license setting you only sell.
Yes.
Like the bottle store.
okay.
Then honale license setting you can sell.
Yeah,
Mara,
and
host.
Yes, and
thing
host,
you-
yes, yeah.
Mara for a certain period. Okay, lo hore ka 10, tshwantse o time.
Utswalle, yes, yeah.
That is why kokasi ya how where now whoever you are in your hood, in your kasi, this
Yeah.
probably doesn't happen in the burbs, but in your hood. That is why you find that you guys are having fun, you partying, it's nice.
Yeah.
You partying, it's nice.
Yeah.
And then that comes a police car.
Yeah.
A police van.
Not a van, a whole squad.
Yeah, it comes, yes.
Yeah, a whole squad.
And then they come there. And then after they come there, they get inside.
Yeah.
After getting
Imamo.
inside, yeah, and then the music switches off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ne?
But hey,
yeah,
everybody goes,
yeah, because that guy, the
Touch of
license,
style.
his license, he's supposed to
yes.
switch off at this
At
particular
10,
time.
yeah. And gonna go gikora to 11. Or
Yes,
gikora past 11.
exactly,
And
or the 12.
homonate, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
I'm talking on behalf of people who go to
yeah,
clubs,
on behalf of people like myself.
like yourself, man. Yeah.
And then you find that
I don't have money.
this is the odd thing. You find
Yeah.
that they switch off. After they switch off, and then after switching off, sometimes they don't even switch off. The police just come and go. So
Yeah.
I wanted to know, what are they doing? Are they on the job? What are they doing, these guys? Only to find that. No, it's true. Only to find that there's something that da, and then we continue grooving, and then they come back 2 hours or 3 hours later, make us switch off.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know, then we switch on again, we continue
Life
grooving.
continues, yeah.
Exactly. So
the question is, why did they come in the first place if there's nothing
wrong.
that
or
we're
there's
doing
nothing-
wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's for viewers, like, subscribe, comment.
Who's a turning point?
Yeah, and then we'll tell you why they do that. So okay, so that Ooh. Hey, yeah, the things we're learning as adults. No, it's
Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for.
discovered. I get mega research, so I'm sharing it with the T's and C's gang, gang.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp.
Friends and family of T's and C's.
Yeah. So that is the reason why they would switch off. I don't want to say too much things now. The next thing is
Okay, let's give a light to people who might be asking themselves, why are we laughing?
They must yeah.
Yeah, so when police, it's like when a traffic officer stops you and you're driving at 160 kilometers, the aim is to arrest you for.
Yeah, because you go to jail. Above 160, you go to jail.
But you end up getting back into your car. Okay, let me leave it at that.
Yeah,
Let me
so
leave it
1
at
plus
that.
cold drink.
Yeah,
1 plus
come
1.
on, guys. Libadala, but yes, nitshele yonke into, yes.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
Hey. Whew. It's hot inside this mask. Ish, I almost took it
Sorry,
off.
guys, I need some time.
Ish, oh, eh. Whew. Hey.
Running off nightclubs,
Yeah,
nightclubs.
Yes.
clubbing in South Africa. Yeah.
So basically
That's
covers
the whole, that's the whole
whole-
discussion we're having here, guys. Sicela ningasifaka amagama emlomeni.
We're talking about
Yeah. Asishongo lutho thina.
you know. We're not saying
Because we don't live on the other side of the counter.
Exactly.
If we go clubbing, probably would be on the other side of the counter where people are just dancing, buying, and all those kind of things. What happens over and above beyond that? Asaz lutho thina.
yeah.
Mina
So
I'm even worse. Angiwahambi nokuhamba ngamaklub.
and I have to take it. Go open that one.
No, can take me because I've been there. I used to have a cousin of mine who
Yeah.
wanted me to obviously drive him when he was drunk.
Oh,
him and his friend.
designated
He had
driver.
those top-notch friends that didn't want to get into trouble because they're coming from wherever. Then so they would take me there, and funny enough, when I went there, I was not the only person who would go there, and I'm not even drinking.
Yeah.
I would find like there was something that was attracting me to go there. I'm
go
not
there.
gonna mention it
I-
because bazofunda lapha kuma comments.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe uzothola
Like,
ama answers.
subscribe.
La namhlanje episode it's all about ukuhlakanipha. Mangahlakaniphanga switch to another channel. Ufuna enye episode ongayibukela, not this one.
facts.
Yeah, this is sure.
Twos, C's. So that covers the whole permit thing.
Yeah.
Ne? And then now, it comes to I feel like let's take a step back. Let me explain why.
Yeah. Let's explain
Yeah.
the clubbing, running of
Yeah.
clubs. Yeah. The levels and everything.
Yeah, I want to actually tell the guys why I was actually curious about this.
Sure,
Because
yeah.
now when I grew up,
Yeah.
Nekiti, people that are running clubs, the tavern, it's either they would say, "Baya lawyer,"
Yeah.
yeah, or they'd say, "Kimakenza."
Give a telling what they were popular for certain things.
Yeah. So now when I researched, I'm actually learning that these people were actually hardcore business people. Because of the thing they'd get into. Yeah. So I didn't know it's the permit section, right?
Yes.
Or the thingy.
Yeah.
Now
The license.
it comes to I agree when you get the license. Now Tanzi Wiring organize a stock, like your alcohol,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So for example,
You
there's
have
a
to keep them flowing.
yes, you have to have a certain amount of inventory in
Yes.
English terms.
Yeah.
Well, when I already
In
written
business
mo-
terms, yeah.
Yes, already written more supply chain
Yes. Yeah.
logistics. What?
Yes,
The
yeah.
alcohol
You need
must
an
come from.
inventory.
Yeah, the alcohol must come from wherever it comes from.
Yes.
And it must
Comes
come
to
your
come to a
shop,
warehouse,
right?
to a warehouse, to your shelves. and
Yeah,
those
yeah,
kind of
yeah,
things,
yeah. One thought.
Yeah.
And then now the thing that hits me, Kuhore, you can't have, for example, let's say what's in fashion now. What's the alcohol that's in fashion? Don Julio. It's in fashion.
Whatever. Don't
Aye,
please,
good
yeah.
old plug.
Yeah,
What's
please
that thing?
plug, actually.
So it's in fashion. It's currently in fashion, right?
Yeah.
So
Don Julio. Ke bokae?
it's not
Rough
it's not that
estimate.
bad. Range of price in Hennessy. It's not that.
Yeah, but Hennessy ke bokae?
Hennessy, go club, okay. Hennessy,
Yeah.
go macro at the your normal
on
shop.
a retail shop,
It's
yeah.
like $450 more or
Okay.
less
Okay.
for a bottle, like
Yeah,
normal Henny,
Okay.
like entry level. Then in a club, it can be up to even 2,000, even 2.5.
Yeah, because that's levels now.
Yeah. So but now
Yeah, like
going
you,
back to the
Yeah.
going back to the inventory management. So you have to get stock, ne?
Yeah.
And then now you have to balance. You have to know,
Yes.
okay, majority of the customers, majority of my customers, they
Yeah.
drink Black Label, or they drink Hennessy, or they drink whatever.
I know
alcohol.
I stop pay because they always post it on.
Yeah, or they drink Astropath.
Yeah.
And then you can't have 4 bottles of Hennessy.
Yes.
Because if you find Bafana Bama Spinara or like people, Kotan, it's
Okay.
Kotan.
Yeah.
They come there, they want to buy 10 bottles.
Okay.
And you don't have.
And it's not a normal daily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you must
fast runner.
balance.
Yeah.
You see where now you
Oh,
must
okay.
balance and find
Oh,
out, okay,
Yeah,
know
because
your customer
when it's in
base.
demand, you must have it. Because you
Yes.
can't tell your customers,
I don't have,
Hennessy.
they're not going to come back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, especially battling ka Maspinara, battling yona that
Yeah.
one at that time. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's another thing I noticed that, okay, now you have to juggle in terms of because there's a lot of different alcohol brands out there.
Yes. Yeah.
So now inventory and stock, it means already you have to have capital.
Okay.
Right? So when I was digging, I found out that, okay, you can actually, through different channels,
Okay.
get a deal
Yeah.
with brewery,
Okay.
SAB, for example, right?
Yes.
Which is the one in the country.
Yeah.
and then they can deliver your alcohol to you at like, it's sort of like a loan,
Yeah.
if I can put it that way.
Yeah, yeah.
They deliver it to you. You
Okay.
owe them. You sell.
Oh,
you pay them back whatever
okay.
amount.
You
then
make
take
profit.
the,
You
yes,
pay
something
back.
like
Yeah.
yes,
You
yes,
break
yes.
even and then you make profit. Yeah.
Yes.
But a business, khuluma ukuthi sinemali.
Yes, but there's not criteria. There's requirements also that you need to meet, right? So,
Yeah.
but that's a different topic for another day.
Okay. Feel
So that's when you're doing that. And then also now you have to do like, you have to have like some sort of a marketing.
strategy.
Yeah, because you have to bring people in.
You have
right?
to have a Baibiza in your target market. sort of-
Something like
yeah,
that. Like
okay.
for example, Akiti, because now you've never been a groovist. Now
Yeah, I'm not a
I'm a
groovist,
groovist.
yeah,
I still am a groovist
unfortunately,
till this
yeah.
day.
No.
There's a reason why I
Ngamamali,
prefer. There's a reason why I
Mani
prefer.
ngangiphi imali ngizongibona ngikukhuluma. Sorry, yeah.
So there's a reason why I would prefer going to Ayepi Lounge, Main Lane,
Yeah,
compared to going to Rockets. Main Lane. Also, they're also in the same
Both
vicinity.
in mainland, okay.
Yeah, they're both
Yeah,
in Main. But there's a
Motosa
reason
Motosa.
why I would have preferred to go to Ayepi
Yep, instead of
Rockets.
Okay.
Yes.
Feel you, yeah.
And they, in terms of pricing, they're more or less in the same league.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
Yes.
If they're based in a place like Main Lane, for those who don't know Main Lane,
Yes.
yeah, you're gonna have to Google and
Yeah. So as the owner, as the person who runs that place, that
Yeah.
establishment, that club, that shebeen, whatever,
Yeah.
you have to find a way to bring people in.
Yes, for people to choose a yep over
Yes, over over
Rockets,
something else.
yes,
Yes. So basically, what I'm getting to is I'm seeing logistics, I'm seeing marketing,
yes,
I'm seeing now also you have to run the place.
Yeah.
So you have people that you hired.
yeah,
By the bartender or what.
Yeah.
So already home
the
wala.
bouncer, yeah,
Home wala.
yeah,
what.
like any company.
Yes, tshwanetse HR.
Yes,
Wantlhalwane, home misbehave but like it's actually quite
yeah, it's a serious business to run,
it's
yeah.
complicated.
Yeah.
It's like it's such a small now it's see go bra mama go bra Josh.
Yeah.
Wantlhalwane can't they
That is why mina bengikhuluma nge-target market wena clear yazi bengikhulumela phezu kwani
Yeah.
kwalezo zinto lezo ngisho what I've learned about such things, there's people who choose them, who want to separate themselves from the rest. They go to this because it's more exclusive.
yeah,
It's written
yeah,
Themba
yeah.
Zulu all over it.
Yeah.
Or it's written Cleopas.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukufana nabo mketekete wesisa. Yeah, siyazikhetha vele laba baya lapha yilaba uyabo, based on how this thing is structured.
Yeah,
Okay.
and imagine that those people, majority of them that I've heard of and that I know,
Yes.
they never studied those guys. Okay, maybe
Yeah,
they
no.
have, maybe I don't know, but
Yeah.
They-
No, but even if they studied, what they're doing has got nothing to do with what possibly they studied at school. Yeah.
So it's actually quite actually quite interesting. Now, which made me wonder after doing all this research, what.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking to myself,
Yeah. You smart, man, yeah?
issue ele ya ko Zanzu ya bafana ba le bane ba ba torture.
Yeah.
Nkubonile ke lotsi videos tsa teng ba ba
Yeah,
torture.
yeah.
Those
I saw that one,
Those I think it's Nigerian guys.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Torturing those boys and whatnot.
Yeah.
And in my opinion,
Yeah.
ne, I ended up thinking, understanding, feeling, now I understand why they're doing this to these boys. Because
Yeah.
look at like Nahana, all that work that you put in Horana establishment the EU.
Yeah.
Then when now the customer who build a brand, then the customers are the pillar the complain or baba who the phone every day.
All right. Let's backpedal a little bit.
Yeah.
What happened at
Oko Zanzu.
Zanzo? Yeah.
Okay.
Let's maybe just to give more clarity to
Yeah.
people who might be wondering what are we
Might
talking
not know.
about. Yeah. What
Okay.
happened? Go Zanzo.
So Zanzu is a club. Let me first.
Yeah.
It's a club in Hatfield, right?
Yes, yeah.
It mostly attracts, I think, like students and
Yes.
young professionals,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
It's that type of setting, right?
Yeah.
So what happened there was
And
that
I would like to think it's somehow run
it's very it's
is it I'm saying, is it run by South African, fully South
no,
African
no.
people?
Okay,
or
this is the
it
other
looks like-
thing.
yeah.
Most clubs, in unfortunately, what I've learned,
Yeah.
most high top level
Yeah,
clubs,
high
they're not really run
South African
by.
owned.
Yes.
Okay,
that's-
fair.
I don't
Yeah,
know why.
I want to make sure I understand everything. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
So
I-
that for the people at home as well, or
Yeah.
for people watching this. Okay, continue.
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know.
The
It's,
story
it's,
about
yeah.
Zanzu.
So now, the people are always complaining, or people are stealing our phones.
Customers.
Yes, customers.
Okay.
So the bouncers
Yeah.
of that place,
Yeah.
they bakrile these guys while red-handed apparently.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
They're tarnishing
I'm following.
that business.
Oh, okay.
And
so
then
they took them for that.
Baba Tochara. Yeah, Baba Tochara or Tochara blind.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if they are criminals.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand
Baba
where they're
Tochara.
coming from. I'm not saying it's right. I understand where they're coming
Yeah.
from.
So now if you have built something,
Yeah.
or ahile company, or
Yeah, and someone
put
comes
so much
and,
work,
Yeah.
and then someone comes,
Yeah.
and then he just destroys.
Yeah, what
whatever
you've
you
worked so
built.
hard for.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
imagine the payment.
I would also,
what.
yeah.
So Baba Tocharil, apparently, okay, yeah, I don't know. Now I don't know. Now I'm thinking what they did. Maybe Baba Konne, because wala pisa or ranenilo.
Yeah,
Then but what pisa
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are not saying what they did is right, but wait until crime happens to you.
Yeah, be a victim, you'll understand.
Wait until crime happens to you, because I know most people when we say when crime has not affected you, you think and everything. Wait until it happens to you.
Wait until they steal your iPhone
wait.
16
Yeah.
or they snatch your weave
Yeah. Or wait until they hijack your family member
and
something
kidnap
very
them.
close to home. I had that experience of someone very close to me got hijacked. So wait until it happens to you.
Then you'll understand. Yeah.
Understand.
Fact. So now going into this thing, a crime.
Yeah.
This guy that they shot, the alleged extortionist. You know about that guy?
Yeah. The guy, he was trending for being shot. Apparently, he was threatening people who are talking about him.
And I apologize. I'm not talking about
No,
you,
but
my
yeah,
brother.
okay, yeah. So, but it's not like we are the people who are breaking the news. It's out there, yeah.
Oh,
the
okay,
guy who
yeah.
was killed in Sentin for extortion as well, yeah. I
Ko
saw the
Diamond
story.
Dog, extorting ko Diamond Dog, ko senten ko
Yeah, go.
the upper echelons.
Yeah.
Diamond na le plaga.
Ne? And apparently, when security stopped him and his cronies from...
Oh, so he wasn't alone.
No, he wasn't alone. So you can't go there alone.
What happened?
What I learned is, or what I've been reading about is the owner of the club that they wanted to go and collect the debts was owing someone, so they are the debt collectors. So then they wanted to go in there, their normal way of doing things, and security said, no, guys, this is a gun-free policy club. So they wanted to go in with
Their firearms.
yeah. Then there was an altercation. And then from what we learned from the news, what you saw, then there was a shooting amongst each other, and some of the security guys or the bouncers or the bodyguards were shot, and his bodyguards were also shot, and he was also shot dead. Actually, he died in hospital because he survived to hospital.
Yeah.
Then I think on arrival or on his way, whatever happened, then he
passed away.
he then decided to bid goodbye.
So he was a confirmed extortionist. Or
That's what people are saying, because he was. Remember, there was a story where he bought the girlfriend to Londi from Housewives of Durban.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Serious?
Yeah. So the car was apparently stolen.
Oh.
That is why, so the car was then again taken back from
The lady.
yeah.
What car was it?
Was it an X5 or an X? I can't remember. It was an SUV, BMW.
I'm a betcha come do. Agela parata man.
Yeah.
Eh.
So
Yo.
these are those kind of things. So like you're saying, the effort you put into running your nightclub and the challenges that it comes
that you,
with.
like running your business.
Yes,
Like it's actually an interesting story. I wonder so this guy's been running for long, and then you talk
From
about
what we're
him.
hearing,
You talk about him.
Yeah, because I had some few people on YouTube. They said when they've run a story about her, and then he threatened them to say, "You say this again with me." And remember, there was a video they took when she was giving Londi London. The reason I'm mentioning Londi London, and the guy had an automatic rifle right there in public. Guys, who's allowed to carry an automatic rifle in South Africa?
You can.
You can.
Yeah,
Is
you
it?
can.
So I can't go buy myself an automatic rifle.
Yeah, you can. I think
Is
maybe
it
we
allowed?
can have.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, maybe we can have a different
Yeah, you
story.
need the reason
Yeah,
to-
it's different barking episode altogether.
Yeah, because let's say I'm running a security company, because I heard one of the things he was carrying such automatic rifles is because he's got a security company.
It's the new trend now.
But a security company, are security companies allowed to carry automatic rifles? Because I think that's where we're losing it in South Africa. Because I thought automatic rifles, or in my small mind, I would only give them to the army.
Yeah, no, you are allowed. Wait, see, there's a different.
Self-defense, a firearm should be good enough.
No, you can. The thing is,
Because
by law.
automatic rifle is for war. So who's going to war?
Yeah, you're protecting
security
the
company.
VIP via war, I guess. I guess that's how. Like you can. You like Wakon. It's a new trend actually. It's actually a new trend.
Yeah, because
Then,
guys, how often do we run into people? This suddenly it's just big commotion. Someone is walking in with bodyguards.
Yeah.
And we're like, what the fuck is he? Who the hell is this? And someone umbile la piendla na bodyguard.
With automatic rifles.
Guys, okay, but how do you do it? Mina ngifuna ama blue lights. I don't care about the bodyguards because I don't have enemies. I would never have enemies. No matter mali ngana. Mina just ngifuna ama blue lights. Ukunisusa endleleni because I would love to drive my car at my own pace. Ama blue lights wathola kanjani? Do by any chance know?
Yo, I don't know that. Guys, tell us on the bottom.
How do you get blue lights, guys? Mina
The
ngifuna ama
legal
blue
way.
lights.
The legal
legal way. Yeah. Ningangichaye, ninganezinto zomduva ngifuna ungena enkingeni. Ngiyasaba ukuboshwa.
Yeah.
Imagine sengiyejele. So ngifuna mina just ama blue lights.
Ne?
Yeah, so basically, that's what happens. That's what happened, and obviously, it boils down to the person who was defending his nightclub.
Yeah.
Is looking at how much am I going to lose? There were even figures mentioned to say the guy was there to collect 600,000 rand.
600K.
Yeah, 600K.
Yo. Yeah. Oh. No, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
That is a lot of money. Yo.
So yeah, it's so disturbing how we live our lives in South Africa. But the automatic rifles, guys, in public,
Yeah,
that's scary.
if you've been in Diamond Walk, when you go to Gucci and Versace and stuff, there's actually armed guys all over actually Diamond Walk, all over Sandton Center. Yeah,
That's it.
Sandton
Actually, this thing is big with
Yeah,
this
security.
extortion.
Yeah,
That is why people have got people in automatic rifles
maybe.
defending their businesses there.
Yeah, it made me feel so uncomfortable. The first time I went there and noticed
they
that.
can keep Sandton up. In any case, Menlyn is more beautiful than Sandton Mall.
Yeah, and many you don't have those things.
And Menlyn Mall is beautiful.
Be careful, they're gonna steal your car.
No,
there.
and even in Sandton, I told you the first time I had someone attempted to break into the lock of a car. Back then, while cars were still using locks. It happened in Sandton.
Yeah.
I parked in Sandton and it happened.
Aye.
So South Africa is South Africa. Don't come and lie to me. Uthi kuphi ku. Yeah. So, but the behavior of people, guys, yo.
It's crazy.
It's
All that
crazy,
effort
ne?
to start a business, run it, and then now
I'm never doing that crap in life. Noma ngibambe ilotho, noma
Yeah,
bangathini imali
not
kanjani.
opening a
I'll
business.
just enjoy my money. I would never run a business in South Africa where people will be running after my blood,
Yeah.
threatening my family.
Yeah,
Ngiphila
just
kabuhlungu. Ngiphila relying on other people to survive, to live. Nah,
Eish.
I'm not having any of that. I don't know.
It's a tough one. It's a tough one.
For now, I'm good with being employed by someone. So that is why last episode, to remember, said whoever buys Royal AM, I'm putting my hand up. I'm available for a job. I'm here. I just wanna get paid good. Yeah, the only thing, you must pay me very well. Yeah. Because you must pay me very well. And when I say pay me very well, I mean pay me very well. You can't pay me imali encane. Angifuni ukuhlupheka ngemsebenzini. Waking up in the morning is a pain already.
Yeah.
Okay,
Man,
I think we've had
it for today.
So we've learned about how to run clubs. Thanks
Yeah,
for so much
yeah,
insight.
yeah.
So yeah, some more interesting topics coming up from
Yeah.
TCs. Ladies and gentlemen, igama uThemba wakwaZulu. We come in peace, nothing else. Like and subscribe.
Peace.
Thank you.